Hello, my name is Terence, and I'm the designer for this place, and this is the owner.
Hi.
It was kind of difficult, but for me it was more the layout of the place, because when I was brought here I said, oh no, it was a two-bedroom, but it was so claustrophobic. So the first thing was to decide what to do with the layout.
My parents have very strong links to Indonesia, and that's the kind of culture I grew up in, and I wanted my place to look very Indonesian, but quite modern as well. And this is where, in the whole aesthetics part of it, is where Terence comes in. Terence is more of an industrial chic, Tribeca type of, those are his kind of tastes. So we try to meet in the middle between the Indonesian kind of tropical setting and you know the Manhattan stuff that he likes so much.
Actually, the main thing is that all my designs are such that it's not a fad thing. It's evergreen. So maybe 10, 20, 30 years from now, this will still be relevant. That's basically it.
Yeah, I think Terence has a very strong vision in terms of what he wants the place to look like. And what I like about his style is that you really need to know what you want. If not, he will just impose his vision on you, and you will be living in Terence's house, not your own house. So I realized that midway. I said, okay, yeah. On the structural part, the layout part, he's the boss. He knows. But in terms of the personalized touch, he made me realize that dig deeper into myself and my background, and really give him a strong message of what I want. And I think with a bit of tug of wars, in the end, we met somewhere in the middle, and it was a fruitful process. And, thanks for coming, ciao.
Yeah, again.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.